Hi everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself again to everyone. I'm Shubhangi, and I'm in Nrittam's main branch as a student. Since many months we are doing this digital classes, but still I should say যে আমরা যতটা tense ছিলাম in the beginning of the digital classes, we are not in the same condition now, because we gave our exam, we gave our মানে dance exam দিয়েছি আমরা digitally, আমরা workshop করেছি digitally, we did many things যেগুলো we couldn't even believe that we could have done. So today I would like to address some newcomers যারা নতুন নতুন শুরু করেছে তাদের আমাদের সাথে জার্নি, নৃত্যমের ফ্যামিলির সাথে জার্নি, about how their experience of doing digital classes with Nrittam and with Niladduti ma'am. So I would like to address, আমি ব্যাপারটাকে shift করতে চাইবো to a different angle now, because many of the students here are participating in this particular session which is going on right now from other states also. So সেরকমই one of the students, as Shenjuti aunty addressed, Priyanka Panigrahi, she is from Ahmedabad. Priyanka di, can you please take over and start about the entire thing?
Thank you so much, Shubhangi. I felt so nice after hearing to the experiences of the people who have been attending, because I am also one of them. And although I'm in a different state, it feels no lesser than a regular interaction on a day-to-day basis, as if she were here, my teacher were here. Before I begin, calling upon all the people from different states who've been under the guidance of Niladduti ma'am, I take a moment and wish a very happy birthday to Nrityam Dance Academy and President ma'am too. It's a very great thing to be seeing the 8th birthday of an institution that they have created. 8, when put horizontally, says infinity, and I wish that this institute keeps on promoting and propagating Odissi infinitely throughout the timelines of history and the times to come.
Very well said.
With that in mind, I would like to invite Rakesh from Jharkhand to share his experience on how it has helped digitally to learn from Niladduti ma'am.
Over to you, Rakesh.
मैं एक्चुअली लाइफ में बहते बहते मैं एक नया द्वीप की तरह मैम के पास आ गया. इसमें एक्चुअली कोई प्रिपरेशन नहीं था. फेसबुक में, सोशल साइट्स में उसके ढूंढते ढूंढते एक मैम मिल गया. तो चलो ट्राई करते हैं. जब लाइफ का जब पूरा 26 ईयर मतलब अंधेरे में बीता, तो कुछ नया कुछ चाहिए था जिंदगी को, नए तरीके से कुछ लाइट जो मुझे नया मौका दे जिंदगी के लिए, कुछ करने के लिए, खुद को दिखाने के लिए. बस मैम मिल गया. It is a new path for me.
थैंक यू सो मच राकेश. मैं भी इस चीज से अग्री करती हूँ. मैं भी ऐसे ढूंढते ढूंढते मैम मेरे को एक दिन मिली, एंड मेरा बचपन का जो एक सपना था कि अच्छे से डांस करना है, परफेक्शन से करना है, ग्रेसफुली करना है, वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं अचीव होता हुआ दिखता है. एंड इतने डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स में अभी ज्योग्राफिकल डाइवर्सिटी में प्रमोट कर रही है मैडम ओडिसी डांस को, एंड आई एम वेरी grateful for that, because I am learning under her, and I am Odia from my native state. So it feels really good, and I feel really close to her. The way she explains my own culture to myself, it feels like she's a mother who, guides me towards my own roots. It's special, which I share with Niladduti ma'am. And never once in my life, everybody is saying here, Saturday valuation and boka kechi. Ami kokoni boka kemi. Mane, ma'am has been a very, she has been a very gentle person with me, and she's been very understanding, teaches me with a lot of patience, and always clears my doubts. And I'm very grateful to her. With that, now I would like to call Sonali from Odisha, another sister from the same place. Please share your experience.
So thank you so much, ma'am, कि इतना अच्छा गाइड करने के लिए और इतना अच्छा हमको सिखाने के लिए। मैम एटा सतरे माने जमा भी लागुनी कि ऑनलाइन क्लास चलुची, एटा बहुत लाइवली इंटरेक्शन टाइप लागुची। माने मैम आम पाखरे अछंती, सब मूवमेंट को ऑब्जर्व करूचंती, जोड़ा भूल होची कहउचंती, जोड़ा ठीक होची कहउचंती, माने सब पोस्चर करेक्शन भी देखुचंती। सेटा जमा भी लागुनी कि हमरा ऑनलाइन क्लास चलुची बोली। सेटमे थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
जय जगन्नाथ। Thank you so much to all of you.
जय जगन्नाथ। थैंक यू।
जय जगन्नाथ। सोनाली बहुत भल लगला आपन को सुनिकरी आपण मैम को विषय भलरे ओडिया रे कहले मोर पूरा मन मुग्ध हे गेला। नाउ मूविंग ऑन फ्रॉम दैट we have yes I think somebody is saying something. Rakesh? Okay, I'll move forward. So next we have Poonam from Bangalore. Can we have Poonam to please share her experience on learning from Niladiti ma'am on the digital platform?
Hi everyone. First of all,
Hi,
a very good evening to all of you, and happy birthday to Nrityam as well as President ma'am. I congratulate for this journey. So I think I can very much relate with everyone, whatever you people were telling, and I mean, I have seen my mother dancing, but when like when I wanted to dance, it was always a hindrance from my family of like not dancing and all. You should not dance and all these things. So I even same, I think what Rakesh was telling, I got this opportunity. I was just surfing in Facebook, and that's how I got to know about Nrityam, and I reached out to ma'am. And I think in the beginning I was like I was a bit like I was still pulling myself back and thinking like whether I should join, because for me age was again one factor which was pulling me back. At the age of 27 I felt like maybe I shouldn't start, like maybe I will not be able to do it. But I think it was ma'am who supported me throughout. I have just joined in April, it's just 2 months, but I already feel like a family here. Like being a part of this family. So I think ma'am really supported me and she believed in me. That's why I started believing in myself. So it was, I mean, it's a great journey so far. I'm getting to learn this beautiful dance form. And also I think I'm getting to learn and explore myself as well. So thank you so much. And all the best to this, like this journey ahead. And I still remember what ma'am said last Sunday, that I think we all are one brick of this building of Nrityam. So that, like made me feel really connected. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Poonam. That was such a heartfelt experience. I am also 26 years old, and beginning to dance again was scary for me. But ma'am has been extremely benevolent, and I cannot disagree with that, no matter what. So next we have Gayatri from Mysore. Can we have Gayatri spotlighted?
Gayatri Di is she is much senior. She completed her Visara exam also in Odissi, and she's in Mysore. I'll tell you, she's in Mysore. She has a lot of experience in Odissi dance. Yes, Gayatri Di, bolo, please.
Yeah, thank you and congratulations to all of you in Nrityam, and especially ma'am, Guru Ma's mom. I call ma'am as Guru Ma sometimes. I mean, in my lifetime, I started this dance. I think I left Odisha. I'm from also Odisha, but a Bengali. So I left Odisha in 2000. So after that, I very on and off, I have done dance, and I also got a chance to support some underprivileged kids from Delhi slums to do little bit of Odissi. And just recently, last year, I had a live performance with one of the organization, Basanta Pallavi, which I has really forgotten, and I have shared that video with ma'am. I'm sure it's very pathetic, but yes, I had done that and put that effort. I am senior, but I am a month old in Nrityam, and happy to have, I have gurus, male gurus, gender-wise, and I'm so happy to have ma'am as in female Guru Ma in my life. And I'm very young, 46-year-old young teammate of you. I don't feel like old. I'm very, very young. I will be never old, I think.
Very good.
And I think pandemic, there is so much of pain, uncertainty everywhere. But I think this is also an opportunity where it has given me and space and time to come back, revisit what I left through Nrityam. And ma'am has, Guru Ma has given that opportunity. I was also browsing like others only, and I was not sure about online. I have tried online also with some, but I was just not feeling very comfortable, confident with whatever I tried. And Nrityam was my another third, I think, attempt, and I got a chance to talk to Guru Ma. And when I called, she did not pick up, and I was like, okay, I'm not going to get a call from here anyway. But she called me back. We had a really long chat, and I just felt like, okay, let me give it a try and just go ahead. I'm here alone without my family. My family is in Delhi, waiting for them to join me in Mysore. We are going to settle down here. Very welcome to all of you. We can have a workshop in this beautiful place and a beautiful, Karnataka, rural Karnataka. It's really very pleasant and blissful weather here. Yeah, I think pandemic has given me that opportunity right now to connecting with you, even if it is just not offline, it's online, but still, Guru Ma is taking so much of pain to support me. So I want to also give my best effort. I try to practice every day with all my work here with COVID relief work and everything. I'm a social worker. But I'm just very impressed with all of you being here, putting so much of effort for Nrityam. And I'm sure we will groom ourselves, and I'm sure we will take Nrityam to a higher heights. Again, congratulations to all of you. Thank you, Priyanka. Good to you.
Thank you so much.
Family on March 2021. So it's been just few months I have been a part of this. And to talk about my experience, yes, initially I had this idea, okay, digital class. I was a bit skeptical of this digital class, how it will go, whether I'll get that proper learning sessions and everything or not. But when I joined this particular, when I joined this Nrityam classes, I felt that it was quite similar to the offline class. I was getting all the scopes to learn new things. I can interact with my ma'am with all my queries. I can learn from her. And the most important thing that I learned in this 3 months is that earlier I have done classical dance forms, and then there was a gap, and then again I restarted this. So it was again that same age-old feeling. Okay, Sunday there is a dance class, so it gives a different feeling of excitement altogether. Like the entire week I literally wait for that Sunday 11 a.m. class. And now add on to this is the Saturday's evaluation. Like I used to check WhatsApp now, like since Saturday morning, okay, ma'am will be sending the evaluation, what she will be saying. And when she appreciates it, it's like it gives you a motivation. Like, okay, ma'am has given me a feedback, now I will do more better to get more appreciation. So it was, as of now, I will say, a beautiful journey, and I would like to continue this journey, and I would like to be a part of Nrityam and want to celebrate many more years of being a part of this Nrityam family. So thank you so much.
Okay.
Hi and hello to everyone, and many happy returns of the day to Nrityam. As like it has been an amazing evening after a long time in this horrible lockdown and office works. So like it has been while since I have been getting this much fun from 6:30 onwards, and I have felt since like I have arrived at Nrityam Mandir where the talents and teachings flashes off. But within a short span of time in this institution, I feel seriously something different, like homely environment, you know. Like how can I say, like I don't at all feel like it is digital. Never the word comes here like digital. It feels like I'm live dancing and getting the teaching like a school going days, which is really unforgettable days where I miss still my employees days also. Even those days are coming back in my Nrityam classes. As previously also she said like about the evaluations are really fantastic. It's like a report card. The day when ma'am gives the evaluation, no, from morning only the panic starts. Oh my god, what will be the evaluation is? Either bad, either good, whatever it is, anything is accepted, but it's really a motivation. So at last, I'm really grateful to Nrityam. Thanks a lot.
To be hearing from you. I agree, age is a issue of mind over matter. You don't mind, hence it doesn't matter. And with that, now this brings us to the experiential sharing session from all the places where Nrityam has reached hearts with Odissi. Now, with this, I hand over the virtual platform to Shubhangi.
Before we log off, I would just like to sum up in one sentence the entire discussion that we had, where the spotlight was on digital platform. So in one word, I would just like to say that this is called bridging the learning gap and notwithstanding or overcoming the various geographical boundaries that sometimes tend to bound us, that sometimes we do not want to go somewhere to learn because it's very far, we don't want to travel. But look how Nrityam Odissi Dance Center has bridged, has reduced the geographical boundaries, the borders, and we have all united together across the country. We have come here from different states and we have come as a family. This is our extended family, our second home. With this very important message in everyone's heart, I hereby declare this meet closed. So Neeladuti ma'am, over to you for any final words.
Unfortunately, my sad part is I cannot show you my beautiful face. This is the sad part. So anyway, so
you can also then share the WhatsApp photos.
Yeah, absolutely. Now I want to wish all of you a very, very, very happy birthday once again, and we will go on with our journey. We have a lot of work, miles to go. We have a lot of plans, we have a lot of things, and this is true that whatever be the situation, we will not say we can't do. Nothing is impossible in this whole world. Everything is possible. So with the blessing of Lord Jagannath, with the blessing of Guruji, Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra, with the blessing of my Guru, Guru Shri Rajiv Bhattacharya, and my mother, Lipi Chaudhary. So we will go ahead with all of their blessings. I thank all of you. I thank all the members. I want to thank the parents also, because without them, I am nowhere, because their support is it's 95%, because I'm doing my digital classroom, but they are giving more effort back home to make their daughters practice. And I want to thank all my senior girls who are outside. I want to thank Shejuti ma'am for conducting this program so well, being the pillar of all the people who have coordinated today, Shubhangi, Mimi, Rakesh, Priyanka, everyone. And I think you all have enjoyed our program, the 6:30 program, the digital event, which we have done. If anybody has missed, you can click on the link and you can see the program. So from tomorrow, we'll have the same schedule. Whenever you have class, you will log in with me. From tomorrow, again, we'll start the evaluations. We'll start our practices. So Jai Jagannath, good night to all of you, and bye-bye to all of you. Take care. Stay safe.